What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at another TaoTronics product. This one is the TaoTronics ANC headphones. They don't actually have a name. We've looked at TaoTronics in the past and they seem to be pretty good products. I've got another one coming up pretty soon actually. Can't wait to get into that because I got a little upgrade I want to take care of. But for now, we're gonna take a look at this. Now this thing has active noise canceling, which is always a plus. There we go. You get about a 5-foot long 3.5mm cable, so that way you can hardwire and save a little bit on the battery. I'm not sure what the size of the battery is. I never got that information, but they're saying that you get up to 24 hours of playtime, and you got about a 3-foot long USB to micro USB cable. Oh, look at that. Add an extended 18 months to your warranty. And then we got an instruction manual. Got a nice simplistic design. Protein leather, nice and cushiony. Soft headband, like a rubber bubble almost. Interesting. It's got some flexibility to it. They snap close, easy for traveling. So they do extend. Looks like aluminum. On the left ear cup, you've got the power button, your ANC on and off switch. I hope there's power. You've got your microphone so you can make phone calls, 3.5mm port, LED indicator light, micro USB port for charging, and your up and down volume as well as next and previous track. Ooh. Hey, they look good too. Nice and clean. It doesn't have a really hard pinch, but it's not too soft either. It's pretty nice. Let's see if this ANC is, let's see if it's got any juice. Oh, immediately. Every single time I've tested out ANC, it always has like a slight delay. This is immediate. I've got my Smart Ambio headset by Sennheiser. For those who don't know, I'm only putting these on because of the 3D microphone that's on the outside of these. This will help you guys hear what I'm hearing. I mean, I could still hear, I could tell it's activated. It's definitely canceling out some of the lower pitch sounds. The ANC on this one is almost like taking stereo sound and converting it to mono. There it is, TaoTronics.
Head.
If any of you know what that notification sound is, let me know down below in the comments. First one to tell me, I'll pin your comment to the top. Dang, you hear that punch? All right, let's hear it with the ANC on. It takes a little bit of the volume away, just like maybe 5%. So I had a comment recently and probably multiple times that I play too much EDM music. I think EDM plays a really good range of sounds with a lot of power and punch, but I understand, so I'm gonna find some copyright-free guitar sounds or something like that. This makes me want to go walk my dog.
A weather report on IGTV. I love weathermanning. IGTV is not a new television station. It's just Instagram TV. So that's okay.
I'm not noticing any kind of latency between audio and video. Take these out. I'm gonna go test the wireless range. Not bad, actually. I got about 50 feet or so that was pretty good. Let's do a shake test. Not gonna work. Usually full headphones like this don't really stand up well to the shake test, but either way, we tried. Let's make a phone call. All right, try Josh. Hey, I'm on. You're on the air. All right, I'm testing out some headphones. I need you to tell me how I sound.
I would say about a B is what it sounds like.
You're giving it a rating of a B?
Yes.
Okay, that's not bad. All right, well there you have it. You know, I gotta say, they're not bad. They got a little warm because of the protein leather. You can feel a little condensation starting to build up a little bit, but overall, very comfortable. That bubble plastic, I don't know what that is, a rubber bubble. That's very comfortable, I'm digging it. The volume could be a little bit more. In my perspective, I think the volume could go up just a little bit. But overall, I think it has a pretty good range of sound. You're in the market for, you know, 50 bucks. I think these are a pretty decent option. They look clean, they sound pretty good. They're definitely comfortable. You could wear these for a while. I mean, they have a 24-hour playtime, so that's pretty good battery. All right, guys, so that is it. I'm gonna leave links down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.